Hey beauties, thank you guys again for tuning into my YouTube channel. Of course, I'm always bringing you guys some beauty tips on hair and makeup. So today we're gonna do a really fun hairstyle. It's gonna be a half up look. My hair is gonna be all curled. I'm going to use this really amazing curling iron called Ionic. It's 1 1/4 inch barrel. It has a smoothing technology. You can see the barrel's a lot longer, so it's good for anyone that has long hair or long hair extensions, which is what I have. I have 22-inch length. So I'm really excited to show you guys how to complete this look. It's super fun. I thought I would throw on this really cute beaded top just to kind of pair with this fun half up hairstyle. This top is from Nasty Gal. It's a size small. It's actually a bodysuit and it's super cute. I threw on this like fun bralette that's from Nasty Gal as well. It's super fun. I'm not sure what I want to even like wear it out to yet. I mean, I bought it during quarantine, so I'm kind of stuck with this fun top with like nowhere to go, but I thought why not do it for a video. First, I prepped and did my makeup. I always use Tarte Poreless primer for mattifying your face if you have oily skin. I do have oily skin, so I did this first before my foundation. I also use Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. This one is called Good Times. I really like this color. It's a good like nude, has some kind of a little bit of a pink tone to it. Obsessed with this color at the moment. Used a little bit of Bare Minerals Gen Nude Gloss just right in the middle to kind of bring out the Nars color. And lately I've been obsessed with Lily lashes. I get the Lily lashes at Ulta Beauty. I kind of stock up on them. They can be a little bit on the higher end as far as cost goes, but I use mine several times over the course of a couple weeks. So I definitely get my use out of the lashes. Whenever I am prepping my hair extensions and my hair for any sort of hairstyle, I use a couple different products just to make sure my extensions feel nice. I prep my extensions with this Kenra blow dry spray. It actually reduces the blow dry time. I also use Good Behavior by IGK. It has a good heat protectant in it. It also defrizzes your hair, and it also has a heat protection and adds shine. I also love to use this leave-in detangler by Ionic. It's perfect for hair extensions. It's something I always recommend to all of my extension clients. It's good for detangling, for making your hair feel a lot softer. So this is definitely a must-have, and this is what I used in my hair to prep it before I'm doing any sort of hairstyle. I am gonna be throwing a lot of this hair up towards the back here. The only thing I'm keeping forward are these front pieces. So as long as this is a little smooth, that's perfect, because this is what we're gonna leave out and this is all gonna go back. So first things first, let's go ahead and prep your hair with the curling iron. As I curl, I always leave a little bit of the hair out at the ends, and then I twist the iron down and release it. You can see already how curled my hair looks, how well this iron works, and how smooth and shiny my hair is left after using this curling iron. As I continue curling, I do one side all the same direction, and then my right side is all going in one direction too. So the way I'm curling is away from my face. Alright you guys, so this is my hair curled with the Ionic 1 1/4 inch barrel. This iron is great for long hair. All I did afterwards was took a boar bristle brush and I actually just ran it through my hair to soften the curls. Because the curls are all going one direction, it now created this sort of like wave in my hair, and it's gonna help with the hairstyle that we're doing. Now we're gonna go ahead and start to manipulate the hair, put it into a hairstyle, make it look super cute and fun, and we're gonna use some hairspray first to kind of like help shape the hair. So first I take Kevin Murphy Light Flexible Hairspray, and I'm just gonna spray my hair all over. Once you've added hairspray, then you're going to take a sectioning comb and you're just going to section out about an inch of the hair that's in the front and leave it out on both sides. I'm going to kind of even out my my hair part. This hair isn't going to be touched at all. We're going to leave that out. It's like kind of cute, like nice and curled away. Basically, we're gonna grab from where you're in front of your ear, all of this hair, and then on this side as well, you're gonna grab all of this hair and you're gonna just comb it all the way back, where you're just leaving out the bottom half. Take a hair tie and then you're gonna tighten that. Try to get it right on top of your head. That way it gives you more volume and it doesn't fall down. And I kind of like tighten it a little bit. That's what it looks like. So once you've completed the half up ponytail, you're gonna take a teasing comb and then just back comb the hair that's in the pony. That way you get some more volume. So I take horizontal sections and just cut this section in half. And then I'm going to just back comb and then keep back combing to create all that volume. And then I kind of shape it a little bit with this comb. Let's do a little bit of hairspray. All right, perfect. Then you're gonna take some hair from the ponytail, wrap it around this hair tie so that way you don't see the hair tie at all. Take a good like inch of hair and then I just start wrapping it around. It's really nice to have these like wide bobby pins pin the hair into that hair tie. So once you've done a couple of pins, flatten and get the flyaways down with some more hairspray. I'm going to complete this overall look. So what I'm going to do is actually take sections of my hair and back comb it slightly right underneath all the curls. Also back comb these pieces here, so take sections and just kind of like tease a little bit. Next up, this part is just kind of like a little added detail, something that I kind of picked up while doing bridal hairstyling. You're gonna take your flexible hairspray, spray those sections you just back combed. Then you're gonna like manipulate the hair into more of that waved crease. And lastly, I like to use IGK Beach Club. This is a really good texturizing spray, and especially because it adds volume. I'm gonna do a little bit here in the front, detail it, definitely some more in the back, and then just kind of like all over the rest of the hairstyle. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. All you need is a 1 1/4 inch barrel curling iron, whether it's by Ionic or whatever brand that you guys have, some hairspray, also some texture spray, some bobby pins, and hair ties. It doesn't take too long, just need to prep your hair by curling it. I think this look is really fun. It's kind of playful, really cool for like a fun Saturday night out. I also tied this hair strand around the ponytail to kind of finish off the look and to polish it a little bit more. That way it feels like a little more detailed, a little more put together. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you enjoyed it, if it was helpful, if you want to see more hair tutorials or more makeup looks or even just like outfit ideas. This top is from Nasty Gal. It's super cute. I love the beaded pearls on it. I think it looks super fun and I can't actually wait to wear it out when everything opens back up.